Alright, class, welcome to week 2 of our at-home learning adventures. And this week we're going to be working again with modern Georgia, and we're going to look at something happening right in the time that I was your age. And this was when, in 1996, the Olympic Games came to Atlanta. Now, I remember a lot of the stuff going on. There was construction everywhere. They were building the Centennial Olympic Park in Atlanta. They were putting up places for the athletes to play the games and live in the Olympic Village. This was going on in Athens as well. I mean, there was lots of construction. At the time, I think I remember going to the doctor a couple of times, and I'd had to go through all that traffic when they were sitting there working on stuff. It was crazy, wild, exciting times. And one of the Olympic mascots, Izzy, this little strange monster that I'll have a picture in the teams folder of. He was the big mascot. He was the Atlanta 1996. It was the big deal. Alright, so what I want you to do for our first lesson this week is I have a video that I want you to watch, Welcoming the World, the Atlanta 1996 opening. Now, this is a pretty wild and interesting thing, like all Olympic openings are. And so I want you to watch that. And after you watch that, I want you to read the Atlanta Magazine article, Winning Gold and Chauffeuring Ali, Memories of the 1996 Atlanta Olympics. And after you've watched that video and read this, I want you to kind of think about it a little bit. And in your email response to me for this, I want you to take and think about, what do you think that the Olympic Games coming to Atlanta meant? Culturally, how is it changing things for everybody? How is it really making this big thing, and economically, because when people come to a place, they bring a lot of money. So how is this changing? Because remember, I was telling you about that there was all these buildings and stuff being constructed, so money's going everywhere. How is this shaping Atlanta and putting us on the stage? It's a big deal. All right, well, I'm looking forward to your responses. Remember, my office hours are on Wednesday mornings from 8 o'clock until about 12:30 is usually when I'm on. But, of course, if you need to, email me anytime. I'll get back to you as quick as possible. And, take care of yourself. And I hope to see you on in office hours or hear from you. I look forward to reading your responses and, just seeing your work. All right, everybody, take care, and I'll see you in lesson 2.